everyone! Happy Thursday! Welcome back to Physical Science. I am so excited to have you guys back. And so let's talk about physical science and what we are doing this trimester. And so we are doing things pretty much exactly the same as what we did first and second trimester. There is a daily assignment every day. There is a Google Doc assignment every day, or a Google something. And you have to do the attendance question by 1 o'clock. So the format's going to be pretty much the same. If you are VLA, you hopefully got a message from me yesterday saying that we are not having live class at the same time. So you won't be in class with the students at the same time. We're going to have those VLA office hours from 1 to 1:30, which I'll talk about in a second. Because today or this week is a short week, we are not going to have advisory or Flex Friday tomorrow. For today and tomorrow, that 1 to 1:30 time is just office hours. So you can go to any class you want during that 1 to 1:30 time for VLA. Those will be open for you. But if you want to come say hi to me, I wouldn't mind it. And so I think that's the main gist. But also, if you are not VLA and you are watching this, know that, again, if you are in class, you do not have to do the daily assignment. You'll get a 10 out of 10 on it, so you don't have to worry about that. But this is a great refresher if you want to go through it. Even if you want to submit it, you'll still get a 10 out of 10. If you don't submit it, you'll still get a 10 out of 10. So don't worry about that. VLA, you still have to do it. And you can retake it as many times as you want if that is something that you would like to do. So, agenda, go ahead, read through that. Attendance question, yes, I watched the instruction video. That's what you're doing right now. Good job. And so, welcome back announcements. So again, the VLA class time will be during the 1 to 1:30 time, corresponding with the day and hour. We're still going to use Google Meets unless... If you guys have other ideas, if you'd rather use Zoom, if you'd rather use WebEx, whatever you want to do, let me know and we can work it out. But on a normal, regular week, on Mondays, you'd go to hour 1, Tuesday, hour 2, Wednesday, hour 3, and then Thursday, office hours. You'll notice I added a new office hours link, so just WMS Coleman with no 1, 2, or 3 behind it. So that's a normal week. But like I said, this week is special because it's only 2 days. Both Thursday and Friday will be office hours for any student questions. Again, office hours code, no Flex Friday on short weeks. We actually only have like 2 Flex Fridays during this trimester, which is kind of weird. So not this Friday, but next Friday we'll have a Flex Friday, and then I think 2 Fridays after that. And then we'll always have the slides in here. And so this is what we're going over in class. So we have a wonderful welcome question. What is schedule? So for this week, we have welcome back to physical science. And then tomorrow we're going to be talking about inventions and reviewing engineering. So what class will look like? This is for everyone, but also specifically students that are in class. For VLA students, you do have to do the daily assignment. So there's always going to be a quick write and a welcome question, daily slideshow to go over the lesson, taking notes on your star slides as we go through the lesson. So that is something that's changed a little bit. There are no star slides today. There are going to be star slides starting next Wednesday, and once we get those, then there'll be ones that you're actually going to be taking notes on while you go through the lesson. You could also do it afterwards if you would like, but it's just, have the option to take them as you go through the lesson, kind of like you're taking notes. So that is star slides, but again, you don't have those till next Wednesday. An individual Google Doc assignment, and then you guys do have the daily assignment. Class expectations, a quick write. So this next question is going to be your quick write. We're going to start every day with a quick write now, just because it gets your brain going. And so, first quick write is, tell me about your family. So in here, tell me about your family. Take 2 minutes if you want to use the 2-minute timer here. I don't know if you can hear this in the video, but there's some calming music there, so it's very nice. So tell me about your family in your quick write. So we have our wonderful quick write. Science articles, that'll be further down, but we have various different science articles that we're going to read today of your choice. And then we're going to do a puzzle piece. So let's go through. Also, this is checking, hey, do we have Flex Friday tomorrow? No, we don't. And then do you know what time and day you have VLA science class? Let me know. If not, come to office hours today from 1 to 1:30. Again, code WMS Coleman. So the puzzle piece. So let's just open up this Google Doc. It's actually a Google drawing this time. And so it's going to make you your own copy of this puzzle piece. And so we're waiting for it to load. There we go. All right, so you have this puzzle piece right here. Procedure, write your name in the puzzle piece. Draw, find images, or if you want to use the drawing tool and color science topics that interest you, submit it when you have completed. I'll add it to the puzzle piece in the class poster. So everyone is going to be making one of these puzzle pieces, and then we're going to hang it up in the classroom, and we'll show you guys the finished product once that is up, probably over the weekend. And then an important note, do not change the size of the puzzle piece so that it fits with the others. Although, if you're thinking, this is kind of small, Miss Coleman, don't forget that you can zoom in. And if you have to click that again, otherwise you're going to keep zooming in. Oh, I think that's just moving the picture. But you can then scroll up and down, and you have options like, if you want to just draw, if you use the scribble tool, then you can just draw whatever your heart desires. My computer is just being slow because obviously I am making a video right now. But if you want to just straight up draw it on there, you totally can. Adding shapes, adding text boxes to add your name and anything else that you want to add. Inserting pictures, searching from the web. So if you really like, dinosaurs, I don't know, search for dinosaurs, add some dinosaur pictures, whatever you want to do, and then feel free to add as much color as you want, anything you want, and then put that back out. So you're going to submit that when you are done. Also, please don't, if you are watching this and you are not VLA, you won't have access to this assignment because you're going to do it in class. So that is the puzzle piece. Submit that when you are done. And then I'll print them out and add them to our poster. And then next extension are science articles. So this is a link to some science articles that trimester 2.2 found that they thought were really interesting and we're going to share. And then you guys are going to find science articles later on to share with 3.2. So you guys are going to be finding science articles for each other. So there are some on the ocean, biology, chemistry, earth science, space, food, miscellaneous. So find one of these. So like biology. And you can see at the end what the title is. So like this one, tweentribune.com, which is a weird website, I admit. At the end it says, "It true elephants can't jump." So you know this one is something about elephants not jumping. Or this one up here, "Threatened coral gets fishy rescue." So you can see at the end what the title is. Let's see, "Soil and its inhabitants by the numbers." So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And then you can go ahead and read this article. And then you're going to answer the following questions about the article you read and selected. So you're going to tell me 1, the main idea of the article, 2, one interesting thing, and 3, one question you have after reading it. So pick any article you want, whichever one seems the most interesting to you. And then there are no star slides, like I said, until next Wednesday, so don't worry about that. And so just make sure you did the attendance question, watch the instruction video, welcome back information, puzzle piece, science articles, and then just saying that there are no star slides. But we're going to keep it on there just because it's a habit. And so that is what we're doing today. So again, if you have any questions today at 1 o'clock, and I might even just, if we go, yes, I'm going to leave there, back to this main page, you'll see this looks very similar to how it looked before. The only thing I added is office hours down here. Use the code WSColeman1 or WS Coleman. And so if you click link to office hours, it'll bring you to the Google Meet for office hours. A quick note is that just for Google Meets, a reminder that if you ever get to a Google meeting and it says like the code doesn't work or something like that, or just something isn't working, just keep in mind that it doesn't work until I start the meeting. So if we have office hours at 1 o'clock and you try to get in at 12:55 and then the code isn't working, that's because I haven't started the meeting yet, because the meeting starts at 1 o'clock. So that's just a note there. And I think that's what I got. All daily assignments are accessible starting at 8 a.m. each day. If you have any questions, please let me know. Also, please note, resource folder has lots of fun information in it, so feel free to look at that. And I think that's all I got. This is a longer instruction video today, and I hope to see you later on at 1 o'clock. Have a great day. Bye.